guys, so the next lock that I will attempt to open is this Papaiz lock. Let me show you it does work. And let me show you the key. Looks like a dimple lock, some sort. And here you can count, if the camera focuses it is 7, yeah, no, even more, 2, 4, 8, 9 cuts, and there are 5 on the top. But don't think that there are that many pins inside the lock. That's not really possible to have that many pins inside set. I've looked inside and I can see that there are 3 on the top, 2 on one side and 3 on the other side. So that's not entirely true. I think it's because the key is made to work both ways. That's why there are so many pins, but it's not really the amount, that many pins inside. So let me try and pick it for you. I did not detect any security pins whilst I was picking it last night, but nevertheless it's not that easy. Okay, so the pin on this side, pin number 1, give me a small click using moderate tension. I'm gonna release some because I think I need to, that was the top pin, give it a click. Now one of the side pins is giving some feedback, he gave a click. One of this side again, give another click. That was again one of the top pins. Only the middle one is left on the top. Okay, maybe not exactly ready. Okay, then this means that probably one of the pins on top. Come on, middle pin on top. Okay, this, however, I think I reset something. Pretty much everything. So now is this side. As an idea, reminds me a little bit of queso, as an idea, but the quality is not queso-like. On queso I don't really get any clicks when I try to pick them. So, it was the middle pin again on top. Let's see what is left. So another pin gave me a click. Not sure what's inside, to be quite honest. Fortunately I cannot get it. I really need to open the lock. It's not only these bolts that you see here. One, 2, 3 on top. One, 2 on one side. One, and open 3 on the other side. Okay, so took a little bit while longer than I expected. I will not turn it more, because if I move it a little bit more it will lock again, and that's the nice thing about this lock. It will lock every quarter of a turn, and that would make it, even though the standard pins, it would make it difficult to open. So guys, that was the multi ponto, yeah, multi ponto Papaiz lock. Thanks for watching. Sorry it took a little bit longer, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.